Hey, what's up guys? Omar here, broker and CEO of Alden Mortgage and Ome Realty. So if you have been following me so far on this appraisal journey thing, okay, on how to become an appraiser, we have finished the coursework, ladies and gentlemen. We have finished everything that we need to go ahead and do. Of course, I have a few more classes I have to take to get to the certified general, but I'm doing this just to this certified residential, get this all dialed in. It was like 217 hours or something like that of education we have completed. Now we're going to go ahead and get an appraisal supervisor. Now everybody's going to do the same exact thing because first of all, you don't want to do something for free. Okay, I am going to have to go ahead and make a lot of phone calls. I have to find qualified supervisor appraisers that are allowed to go ahead and to be a supervisor. Now the reason why you have to find somebody specifically for that is because in order for a supervisor to be a supervisor, they need to be an appraiser in good standings for at least 3 years. Once you get to that 3 years, then you could open yourself up to become a supervisor. Now, are you going to pay me to go ahead and help you out? Because essentially what you're doing is you are their assistant. You are going to be their bitch. That's what you're going to be doing. Towards the more hours that you get, they're going to let you go and do appraisers all on your own. And then they're going to go ahead and reap the benefit and you're going to get pennies on the dollar if they're even willing to do that. Number two is I'm going to go ahead and see if there are companies out there to go ahead and pay you for being an appraisal trainee. That's going to be number two. Number three is going to be county positions. I am going to go ahead and apply to every single avenue that I think that you could possibly call or apply to get my hours in so I could become an appraisal trainee. That's what my goal is. So that's where we're going to go ahead and go. So to give you a present, this is what I'm going to go ahead and do. This is what I am going to do. And if you want to go ahead and stay on board and see which one actually works, like, subscribe, comment for up to 50% commission rebate, 0% listing on selling your current home or any mortgage assistance. Link in the description below. I pray to God this is going to go over well because I am not a great of an attitude type of guy. And these appraisers, I have had no good experience with them so far. These assholes yell at me all the time. I'm sure there's some good ones out there. But if you are an appraiser and you would like to be part of this YouTube journey and you would like to help a brother out and you are in the LA County, hit me up, man. Do something. Let me know. Let's go and do some appraisals together and I don't know, do something. I have some video gear. We could go ahead and, do drone shots and shit. I don't know. But if you are an appraiser and you are allowed to be a supervisor, comment. Help me out. Next video, guys.